Welcome back to Mastering Price Charts, How to Trade. I'm your instructor, Frank Bunn. Many people are not aware of the learning cycle which begins with information. Strategy is not knowledge. We must begin with this information, in this case, the price chart. Understanding the mechanics of price will enable us to connect the dots. This is the basis of knowledge, in this case, understanding how to trade. Only with this intact can experience and strategy be effectively employed. Knowledge is a prerequisite for the development of strategy, and as we will see, with sufficient screen time, intuition emerges in the unconscious competence realm of the competence hierarchy that we saw in a previous lecture. To better understand this important concept, let's explore the outcome dependence fallacy. Strategy does not produce results. This is a failed belief system that is endemic to the trading industry. Just about every aspiring trader will tell you that all he or she needs is a system that works. Not going to do it. Strategy only produces high or low risk entries with favorable or unfavorable expectancy, nothing else. Therefore, strategy is not a trading system per se. Strategy is the structure and process the trader uses to achieve low risk, high probability entries, or not. Knowledge of reading order flow and market sentiment and content, in this case the price chart, is what enables traders to profit, because they can effectively second-guess their competitors. The great industry irony in the trading business is that knowing how to trade does not necessarily mean you will be successful. The trader must create a success story by completing the information to intuition cycle. To further establish this notion of what is fundamentally wrong with the trading education industry, take a look at the evolution of a trader cycle I have been using for years to guide my clients from knowledge to professional trading. The real education begins with content, in this case the price chart data used in the decision-making process. From there, the trader learns how to trade. This is what you're about to do with this course. Only after this critical step can the trader venture to the mechanical and strategic aspects of trading systems and strategy. Then, over time and screen hours, the intuition is developed in the form of pattern recognition skills and the ability to intuit what is most likely to happen next in the price chart. Combined with risk mastery, mechanics, and discipline, the student comes full circle to consistency. More on this in the next lecture. Then why is the trading education industry a failure? Most traders erroneously start here with strategy and the mechanical. This cuts off the path to consistency and throws aspiring traders into the frustration cycle from which many never return. It is important that you understand this before proceeding. The evolution of the trader is the path to success. It is the map to your destination. Since you have enrolled in this course, feel confident that you are on the right path. Let's move on.